Hi everybody. Welcome to Business Wala. Setting business goals. Welcome back through how to choose a business idea. It's first of all. And before starting any business you need to know what you have got. Why do you want to start their business? There are some reasons which good bad you do says you are on business school. Be first S. You got ask yourself this question: what motivates me to ferret this money? Do I like doing it or what? In this section we are going to go from so many trees on so you can figure out your own reasons. Dream can become reality. One of the reasons of setting business is the willingness and desire to see your business and is in very alive and watching me using it in their daily basis. This season considers as the key factor that it invades. More on this successful business people. The ability to work from home that you can burn from. Are you worried why you think you do not have to rent an office or any equipment? In business this can be done remotely like a roller bingo site or conducting an online course. Just soon you'll be able have using a warrant from what because it's flexible and cost effective. Another reason is you can have a second career. In other words, you have another easier net income. It's been very profitable. This is the most embarrassment reason many strictly business because it's profitable. They can make money from it. It's not that hard to do. Meaning it can be done so easily. That's why he or she wants a third business. Yet which means that some demon this site Gorka business. Yes, utilize their creativity. Your business equals your deadlines. That means you have to think your own kidlines are vanishing and submitting Breitling is your line. And that leads us to the following lines. Which is you. You are on boats. This is the interesting part of I think any business is welcome then you will say you are on horse. You get to do what you are interested in. Personally this is the main factor. You can do what you like and excel in. In business there is none of our seeing you do anything you don't want to do. Another reason is I'm creating jobs for others. Obviously when you have a business you need someone to help you and someone you can really get here very funny. So fantastical. So that's why you are creating jobs as a people. Even Bruford the staffer business just because they can work from anywhere alamble gaffing or even be upgraded. They are in Asia for example. What these businesses are so easy and flexible will be found in any field is an efficient way. An interesting reason is inspire others to go after their dreams. These people try to be inspired models to others so they can motivate them to chase their dreams. What control of your time you to decide how much do work each week. Well, in this first business because they want to control their thank you. Recently I had a confirmation that complexity. So a business will aid you to have a respect and self-confidence. All those businesses because they want to make their boost natty much stronger. And you have a sense of this faction. And own body's entries and the setup business is for her more self-awareness. You will quickly their strengths and weaknesses then warrants you will get the kings through now yourself and your personality. My Stieber you can make your ascent stronger and try to overcome the weaknesses by accepting and daring them for something useful. More individuality you will have full control of your stature. You will be able to control your employees as their business needs and requirements, so you will be the boss. The important reason is Minalidi. You will be creating something that's unique you, which means that your business will be distinguished from others. This is what qualifies on whether they have found that. So we both want to start their business because they want to create a better war by solving certain issues such as unemployment, traffic, and so on. Why so think a business? We both do have a positive in bad in the what. Mara importune you struggle as your business grown. You all see what this is, and also of having a chance to travel around the world. We are a business and our business purposes. Myself, if love moves you will focus on improving yourself by stifling a business you will be able to do it you love yourself. There is as much as you spend in self-development your business will grow faster. It is important to keep updating yourself and learning better techniques and methods. Express things you will each other parts of your industry and customize. People want district business because they want to have deep knowledge about their business industry and to cherish their relation with customers. Larry, one of your is you sexy young hero, this queen. As we all know stepped. And this is risky, but as long as you have a clear victory, you can program it. And of course don't forget to train yourself. After traveling only off sick. My contract of Rolling Bones design is your decision since it's your business. You can design your office the way you like it. You in your mind guess Samara's first impression is this song lethal, and that is he. Plot the office needs an more financial independence. Well, you'll make it big. It will be yours. This is one of the Morrison burst into reasons financial freedom. As much as you work, how does your business will be profitable? And that leads still have a financial independence. You will no longer rely on banks or any family members. Even a friend who will be and will one bank, and that leads to the next fight. Of your own money, you also the salary as purely your needs and your if what you can increase your salary depends on your efforts. You are waiting and give based on your needs. I'm in China, you still give, you will be able to fund colleges. You truly believe in my example funding, be able to start their own business or funding charities. It all depends on your interests and goals. Interesting work you can do to get this stuff done, like doing by dividing the scores among your staff in business. It's important to enjoy what you are doing. Another reason is a bit of truth used to teach you on the munter many of your employees. You will be able to teach your staff how things are done and to observe their performance. Were prospective, you will see the one from every angle. As long as you are digging in the business, your mentality and way of thinking will change and develop. Thank you for watching this video. Press the like button and subscribe to Business Wala.